I greet all our viewers across the world, in Africa, in America, Latin America, everywhere, even in Saudi Arabia. We greet all of you, compliment of the season. A kí gbogbo àwọn tó wò wá káàkiri àgbáyé yálà ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ ni o, níbi tẹ́mi náà wà níbí báyìí, tàbí lílo òkèèrè lókè òkun, bóyá ilẹ̀ Àràbù ni o, tàbí ilẹ̀ àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun. A kí gbogbo yín ẹ kú àsìkò yìí. Orúkọ mi ni ọmọ ọba Akínjídé Adélàjà Akínyẹ̀óyè, tí gbogbo aráyé mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àkọ́bí òrìṣà. Èmi ni olùdásílẹ̀ àjọ kan tá à ń pè ní African Creation, léyìí tí ó ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú gbígbé àṣà àti ìṣe Yorùbá lárugẹ. My name is Prince Jide Adelaja Akínyẹ̀óyè, popularly known as Àkọ́bí Òrìṣà. I am the founder of African Creation, an establishment that we are known for promotion of our cultural heritage, that is African culture.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà, ṣàlàáfíà la bá yín.
A dúpẹ́.
Ẹ ṣé gan sà. Tí mo bá wò yín dáadáa, máa rí i pé funfun ni láti òkè dé ìsàlẹ̀. Ǹjẹ́ èyí ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú nǹkan kan tó ṣe nípa ti àṣà ni, àbí bí ẹ ṣe máa ń múra ni èyí?
Nígbà tí mo ń ṣe àfihàn ara mi, mo identify ara mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí àkọ́bí òrìṣà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ pé àwa ni à ń gbé àṣà wa lárugẹ. So tá a bá ń gbé àṣà lárugẹ, ibi táwọn èèyàn bá ti rí wa, wọn nídìí ìbéèrè láti máa mọ̀. Èyí ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúra mi. Bí mo ṣe ń sábà máa ń múra leléyìí, nítorí pé Ọlọ́bàtálá ni mí, oníṣẹ̀ṣe ni mí. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń ṣe tí kò bá ti ranjú mọ́ ẹ̀sìn ilẹ̀ òkèèrè, lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n yá wá fún wa, tó ní tiwantiwa ló ń ṣe, oníṣẹ̀ṣe ni. Oníṣẹ̀ṣe ni mí. Èmi gangan ẹ̀jẹ̀ Ọbàtálá ló wà lára mi. So tẹ́ bá ti rí mi, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ti ní àfijọ bí ó ṣe jẹ́. What we are trying to say is that when you see my dressing is a reflection of what we are promoting. Actually, this is how I mostly dressed.
Wow.
I dress in white, my costume in white, everything. In fact, it's not even totally completed. It remains my wrapper that I'm supposed to tie like this. We call it pakaja.
Pakaja.
Yes, pakaja. That's the only thing that is missing. I dress in this way because I am born and brought up in Ọbàtálà's family.
Wow.
My blood, all the blood running in my vein is that of Ọbàtálá genotype.
Wow.
So when people see me, I always want people to know without even asking a question. So you know that you have seen an Ọbàtálá image.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni, thank you very much sir.
You're welcome.
Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yín, ẹ sọ wípé ẹ̀yin ni àkọ́bí òrìṣà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So mo fẹ́ béèrè báyìí pé irú èèyàn wo ni Ọbàtálá? Nítorí ẹ ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ Ọbàtálá ló wà nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ìran Ọbàtálá ilẹ̀ ti jáde wá. Táwa ni Ọbàtálá, irú èèyàn wo ni? Ṣé ènìyàn bíi tiwa ni, àbí báwo ni? Ẹ bá wa yànnàná rẹ̀.
Ìgbà tí mò ń sọ fún yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan, mo sọ pé wọ́n mọ̀ mí bíi àkọ́bí òrìṣà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Èmi gangan yìí, ọmọ tẹ́kùn bá bí, ẹkùn ni ó jọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Èmi gan òrìṣà.
To you. Okay, like deity, right?
Táwa ni bàbá mi. Tí mo bá ní àkọ́bí òrìṣà ní mí. Olúfọ́n òfìfọ́n Ọ̀ṣun in Ọ̀ṣun state
Nigeria.
ó ní bàbá mi tí mo ní mo jẹ́ àkọ́bí ẹ̀. Olúfọ̀n yẹn gangan òrìṣà ní ọba ní òun lọ́ba pàtàkì nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Olúfọ̀n yìí gangan wá ní àrẹ̀mọ Ọbàtálá.
Àrẹ̀mọ is firstborn, right?
Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe jẹ́ àkọ́bí òrìṣà toríṣà yẹn jẹ́ Olúfọ̀n. Olúfọ̀n gangan fúnra ẹ̀ kábíyèsí o ó ní àkọ́bí Ọbàtálá. Ẹni pé mo sọ fún pé Olúfọ̀n gangan òrìṣà Ọbàtálá táwa ń sọ yìí ó ní wọ́n ń pè ní òòṣà ńlá.
Òòṣà ńlá.
Yes, òrìṣà ní Ọbàtálá. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Bí Ògún ṣe wà tó jẹ́ òrìṣà, tí Ọya jẹ́ òrìṣà, tí Ṣàngó jẹ́ òrìṣà, òrìṣà pọ̀. But nínú gbogbo àwọn òrìṣà, the supreme deity is the meaning of òòṣà ńlá. Olúfọ̀n ni àrẹ̀mọ Ọbàtálá tó jẹ́ òòṣà ńlá. Pòròpó tí yé bẹ́ẹ̀ Olúfọ̀n gan òrìṣà ni bàbá ẹ̀ wá ní òrìṣà ńlá. Òrìṣà ńlá yẹn wọ́n tún Ọbàtálá ló jẹ́ kò sóríṣà tó ń jẹ́ òrìṣà ńlá ju Ọbàtálá lọ. Wọ́n ń pè lórìṣà ńlá fún ìdí pàtàkì méjì. Ìdí àkọ́kọ́ ni pé láàrin gbogbo àwọn tá à ń pè lórìṣà yìí òun ni olórí gbogbo wọn, òun ni bàbá arúgbó.
Is the eldest, right?
Is the eldest. Òun náà wá ní ọba tí àlà ní funfun.
That's why you're putting on white.
Yes.
Wow.
Ọba tààlà ni Ọbàtálá, ọba tí àlà.
Ibi tí orúkọ yẹn ti jáde nìyẹn, that's where the name got out.
Yes.
Okay.
Ọba
tààlà.
Ọba tí àlà. So bàbá táwọn wí yìí Ọbàtálá tẹ̀ sọ yìí ó jẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ Elédùmarè. Níbi àwọn ẹ rí pé àwọn ẹ̀sìn bíi méjì tí wọ́n yá wá fún wa ní ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀, bí ànábì Mùhámmà báwọn mùsùlùmí nílẹ̀ Àràbù bọ́n ṣe believe pé òun ni Ọlọ́run rán sí wọn, tí Jesus Christ táwọn ti ọmọ onígbàgbọ́ làwa náà ẹja sọ pé àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn Jésù tí wọ́n ní Jésù ni ó rán sí wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá rán Ọbàtálá sí wa nílẹ̀ adúláwọ̀. Ó ní bàbá tó ń pè ní mọ̀rímọ̀rí tí mọ̀rí ọmọ tuntun.
Ọbàtálá ló jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ọbàtálá ló jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọbàtálá Ọbàtárìṣà ọba takuntakun lóde Ìrànjẹ. Ìrànjẹ yìí níbi ancestral home ẹ̀ wà. So tí mo ń try láti sọ fún ni pé èèyàn ni Ọbàtálá, kì í wá ṣe èèyàn lásán, because tí mo bá sọ pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Ọbàtálá òní mi, Ọbàtálá ló bí àwọn tó bí mi. So tí ò bá jẹ́ èèyàn kò ní bí mi, but kò ń ṣe ta lè pè léèyàn lásán. It's not just an ordinary being, it's a supernatural being. That is, it's just too supernatural. So òun yàtọ̀ fún, without no apology, Ọbàtálá yàtọ̀ fún bíi ẹ̀fọ́ àwọn mùsùlùmí nìsín ẹni tí wọ́n ní ṣe kíní kan fáwọn bí wa Mùhámmà kò ń ṣerú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Èmi gangan bó ṣe jẹ́ pé mo jẹ́ oníṣẹ̀ṣe yìí, mo ti lọ sílẹ̀ Àràbù, mo ti lọ ṣe hajj 5 times. Mo rí ibi tí wọ́n sin ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, mo rí ibi tí wọ́n sí nínú Christian knowledge, kí la máa ń pè Christian religious knowledge tí a kọ́. A rí pé Jésù Kristi wọ́n ní ó kú, wọ́n fi sísà òkú bọ́ ó jí dìde. Àwọn èèyàn rí ibi tí ó wà, wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó kú, wọ́n rí ojú sàyẹ́nsì wà ń bẹ̀. But bàbá yìí kò ń ṣe èèyàn lásán, so ìyẹn ló ti ń link mọ́ nǹkan míì. Inú pé kò kí ń jẹ́ èèyàn lásán yìí ni la fi pè ní irúnmọlẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti pè ní, tó bá ti wà ní kàtígórì irúnmọlẹ̀, wọn ò kí ń ṣe èèyàn lásán, wọn ò ń ṣe èèyàn bíi ti tèmi.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni sà.
Ọbàtálá, I will describe my progenitor Ọbàtálá as a human being. He was a human being. If I can say I'm that the blood that is running in my vein is that of Obatala, it means I'm telling you the reality that Obatala is my progenitor. It's not as if I'm just adopting it as a religion. My father, people call me Akobi Orisha. Akobi Orisha means the firstborn of deity.
Yes.
There are so many deities in Africa.
Yes.
Ogun is a deity. Oya is a deity. Osun is a deity. Ṣàngó is a deity. Obatala, my progenitor, is a deity. If they call me firstborn of a deity, is the meaning of Akobi Orisha, firstborn of a deity. Who is that deity? The deity whom I originate from is Olufon. Olufon is that deity. Olufon is a first-class Oba in Osun State. Is the president and permanent chairman of Orolu and the Irepodu Traditional Council of Obas. He's a deputy chairman in Osun State Council of Obas. This Olufon of Ifon Osun is the firstborn of Obatala. So I am firstborn of Olufon. That's the interpretation of my nickname. Then the Olufon we are talking about is the firstborn, incontrovertible firstborn of Obatala. Obatala, Obatarisha, Obatakutakun, Lode Ìrìnàjè. Permit me to say that because whenever we mention the name of this great progenitor, we must try to, eulogize him. From what I've just said, it tells you much about Obatala, Obatarisha, that a great man who comes from Ìrìnàjè. Ìrìnàjè is a group within Ile-Ife. He's still there till now. That was where he lived during his lifetime. Obatala, the meaning of Obatala can be interpreted into two.
All right.
The first is Oba means king.
Yes.
Ti Allah. Allah means white. That is king of white color. Anything white.
Anything white.
White cloth. Obatala, king of white. Then the second meaning is that is Oba. Yes, I've said king of white. The second meaning is that they still call Obatala as Orisha Nla. Orisha Nla means the greatest deity, the most supreme deity. Among those rulers in Ile-Ife then, there were so many, about 16 of them.
Wow.
Who are supernatural people of the people that lived from the time immemorial. Obatala was their most senior. He was the headest. That's why they call him Baba Arugbo. That is an old man.
Old man, yes.
In fact, he's an old man. He was the oldest man
of them all.
Yes, that's why they call him Orisha Nla, that the greatest among other deities. I think that explains that.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. So from what you said he's the greatest. Ẹni pé òun ni Ọbàtálá.
He's the greatest among other deities.
Okay.
And I beg you to realize that he was a human being. In addition to that, he was a superhuman. He was not just a human being like me and you. He was a human being that cannot be compared with every other person. If you go to Saudi Arabia now, people will show you where Prophet Muhammad was buried because he died. If you go to to Israel, they will show you where Jesus Christ was buried because it was established that he died on the cross and he was buried before he resuscitated. But anybody that you call Irumale, there's something common to all Irumoles. Majority of the Irumole didn't die the way they were too powerful to die like ordinary human being.
They didn't die?
No, they didn't die like I just want to die. They know when, because that's the only thing that even we are traditionalists, we believe that the end is the end of every mortal. But the difference between the kind of mortal that Obatala is and was is that God gave them power to the extent that they know that this is the last moment. I don't know when I will die now because I'm not Irumale. I don't belong to that category. But Batala, my father, when he wanted to die, he knew the time and he told them what will happen. And when the time comes, when the end comes, not when he wanted to die, when the end comes, it's another story for another time.
All right.
But he didn't die.
Didn't die.
He didn't die.
Okay.
Let's move on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, ìbéèrè tó tún tẹ̀lé ni wípé ìyàtọ̀ wo ló wà láàárín èèyàn àti irúnmọlẹ̀? Nítorí pé ẹ dárúkọ pé èèyàn ni Ọbàtálá, ẹ dẹ̀ tún ní pé irúnmọlẹ̀, ẹ dárúkọ irúnmọlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Ìyàtọ̀ wo ló wà láàárín, àbí ṣé irúnmọlẹ̀ ni ènìyàn ni? Ṣé èèyàn ni irúnmọlẹ̀? Can you please help us differentiate the difference between irúnmọlẹ̀ and èèyàn?
It's a very simple and complicated question. And I won't drag it long. Gbogbo àwọn irúnmọlẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ wọ́n wáyé gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn. But kò ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ní irúnmọlẹ̀.
Kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn.
Gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ ní irúnmọlẹ̀. Somebody like myself, I'm a human being.
Èèyàn ni.
Èèyàn ni mí. Even though some other people may look at the way I dress, my belief, yeah, I still think what I do, I still do things like human beings. But the difference between human being and Irúnmọlẹ̀, I don't know the English for Irúnmọlẹ̀.
I'm trying to ask too because
I don't, yeah.
Irúnmọlẹ̀ yẹn mo fẹ́ mọ̀ English ẹ̀.
Well, you may need to go and ask the linguistics.
All right.
Irúnmọlẹ̀ ended up to be deity.
Ended up. Okay.
Yeah, they ended up being deity. But the difference between human being and deity is too wide. It's not like from Osogbo to US.
Ìyàtọ̀ yẹn pọ̀ gan.
Púpọ̀. Well, imagine. I think I will have to give you I will have to let you know what happened when the end times came for our Baba.
When he was about to turn to a deity, right? Finally.
Yes.
Okay, sir.